Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tabitha Maire and I'm so happy you could tune in to today's video. If you can tell by the title, it's another thrift haul. How about this new hair? Make sure, hold on. Your girl got some new hair? Okay. If you guys like it, check the description box or a cue card above so that you can see all the details on this new hair, honey. She is long. But today I'm doing a thrift haul video, so if you're interested in seeing what I haul, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm back at it, y'all. I was sick, so I really didn't, I wasn't really in the mood to do a lot of thrifting. Can you believe on the last Wednesday of the month, I only got 2 items. One is a little iffy, but one for sure is amazing. My daughters did some amazing thrifting, and I'll be coming with a video on a kids thrift haul for you guys very soon. But let's go ahead and show you what I got. So I went to Athens to check on some family members of mine. My beloved little sister is going through a lot, so if you know the power of prayer, please keep my family in your prayers. I spent some time with my mom and my stepdad, and anyway, we did what we do best. We went thrifting. So I went by this thrift store that I told you guys, Battered Shelter or whatever, they sell thrift clothes. Anywho, I got this cute dress. This dress was only $1.75. Boom, hit it out the park. My mom actually found this and asked me if I like it, and I do, guys. This is gonna be so cute for the summertime. I'm crazy in love with the spaghetti strap, the stretchy material, and this is in a size extra large, and it's by the brand Madison. And baby Jewel is here, and she got this cute little purse along with some other items, and this purse was only 50 cents. You love it? Okay, peace out, homie. It's so cute. I love the colors on there, very summer. It does have a zipper on the side here. This is so nice for the summer and spring months. While I was in Athens, I stopped by American Thrift Store, and I got 3 items, and I spent $10.70. I don't know, the light is bad. $10.77. I got 3 items, which were super amazing, and I'm gonna insert some footage here or either here of their beautiful store. They have amazing handbags, shoes, clothing. This store is huge. If you're ever in the Athens area, Athens, Georgia, make sure you stop by American Thrift. Everything is super duper affordable. They're really one of the most affordable thrift stores that I shop at. But let me go ahead and show you what I got. So the first item that I have is this really cute, excuse me, woman's top. And it's by the brand Wearing Your Heart. I don't know. It's a size extra large, and this shirt only costs $1.99. And it's just a really pretty, I don't even know what color, like an oatmeal-y color. I've heard people call it like an oatmeal color. And it does have a little high-low effect. It's a really lightweight sweater, which is going to be good to transition into the spring. Next, I got a Crown and Ivy. I really love this brand. I need to find out where they're sold at or if they're available online, because I would purchase these at wholesale. I have 2 pair of pants by Crown and Ivy, and I got another shirt by them. But their denim, the material is amazing. The quality of this is absolutely stunning. But this top was only $3.99, and it's a size extra large. And it's just a really nice denim, or if you want to be fancy, chambray type of shirt. it looks like it's going to be that perfect oversized look on me. I have a few denim tops that fit, you know, almost too snug that I'm going to purge out of my wardrobe. And I just wanted to find some replacements before I actually got rid of them. So I just love denim tops. They are just those shirts that are going to be staple pieces in your wardrobe. You can wear them year round. You guys are going to wig out, flip out. You guys, so the next item that I have is this super duper 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 cute pair of shoes. I love these. Ah, dying on the inside. So these shoes were only $3.99 and they're size 9.5. So fit me so good. I like that they're nice and wide here because I have a wide foot and some shoes are super narrow, but these are wide enough and they're in such good condition. I mean, I don't even know if anybody wore these. Look at that. Brand spanking new, and they are by the brand and Andrew, and I think this is again Target. Target makes a really good shoe. And these would have probably ran about 30 bucks in store. But I got them for only $3.99 and I feel good. Alright, so I did make it to Value Village. It was the last Wednesday of the month and I got 3 items and I spent $7.54. So I got Jewel a top, which she is wearing. You guys saw it in the video. And that top was only $1.69. And it was half price, so it was 84 cents. And my oldest daughter, she got her a few items. We're going to share all of those items collectively in a thrift haul. Another kids thrift haul. So I got a pair of jeans. They were originally $5.69. And they were half price, so they were $2.84. And they're just a really pretty light wash jean. I noticed that I have been purchasing a lot of, you know, dark to medium wash jeans. And with spring coming, I feel like you can incorporate more lighter wash to your jeans. So I got these jeans and they are by the brand Refuge. They're size 20. So I'm assuming that this is a junior's brand because I am a woman's size 14. Sometimes I can even do a 12, like I said, just depending on the brand, the cut, and the style of these. I love the light wash of them. Like I said, they're going to be perfect for the spring and summer. The last item that I got, I've never really been able to wear the short rompers, basically because, like I said in my last video, I am 5'11" and I have an extremely long torso. So I just never thought about wearing a romper, but I saw this in a thrift store and it was priced at $6.69. It was half price, so it came to $3.34. And I'm going to convert this into a shirt, leaving the stitching here and just cutting about 1 inch or 2 off from the bottom and having it hemmed up. We'll probably try to film me doing a video on this one, okay guys? Alright, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this short thrift haul, and I will see you in my next one very soon. Be sure to check the description box. I'm going to start leaving a section where I'll let you know what you can expect for my next video, because I know some of you come for thrift hauls, makeup, hair, clean with me. So I'm gonna give you a update of what videos are going to be coming next, so you can tune in if you're not interested in, you know, what I'm serving up today. But make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Leave me some comments below on what you liked, what you didn't like, and share this video with someone you know who may love thrifting. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.